Welcome to another session of Srinath Recipes. Today we are going to make an easy chicken curry for the beginners. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add 1 sprig of curry leaves and 3 cups of finely chopped onions. Saute this till the onions turn translucent. Now add 1½ tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1½ tablespoons of crushed ginger and 2 finely chopped green chilies. Saute this for some time and add 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of dry roasted coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute this for a few seconds and add 500 grams of chicken pieces, 1 cup of finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves and a little salt. Mix well. Now place the lid and cook this over low flame. Stir occasionally and cook until it's done. Now it's done. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Turn off the flame. Please do try and post your feedback.